Hello, I'm Nicholas Bogdanovich, and I will be explaining a few of the AutoCAD features that I learned to use in my Hort 120 class to make professional landscape designs. Model space is where the drawings are created with the tools line, polyline, circle, and arcs. And we also have the move and copy tools. Move allows you to take a line or shape you made and move it to another area if placed wrong, or try out different layouts. Copy can be used to make the same consistent shape in a drawing, like a plant or a tree. Templates can be used as a bottom layer to cut time it would take to remake the landscape. Scale allows me to use a 1-to-1 scale, meaning it's the real world measurements. I can also change it to be other scales, allowing me to have variation for different applications. Layers allow me to change colors of different things to make the landscape easily to see the difference of objects and easily readable. Blocks let me put pre-made objects that can be downloaded and transferred to my drawings easily, like copy and paste from Word. This lets me put the tables and chairs in my drawing to show the size of patios to customers. Paper space is where I can see how the landscape looks on paper, and am able to print the landscape from AutoCAD. Thank you, and come again to learn more of what I'm doing in Hort 120.